Hi guys, it's Thursday, and I've just spent my morning checking in on Google Classroom to see um, who else checked in with us, and I liked seeing your faces, so we're going to be doing some more flip grids throughout all of this, so that way we can at least feel connected. A lot of you haven't checked in yet, though, and so that's a problem. We need to make sure that we are checking Google Classroom, make sure you're checking in. I had a lot of you check in on the videos and then not do the journal assignment. So I just want you to understand what you're doing this week is you have the common lit assignment and it's just reading the passage and answering the questions. That is due tomorrow. By midnight tomorrow, make sure that that is done and submitted. It's just a handful of questions. We'll do a couple of those a week for the first couple of weeks. And then you have the daily journal, which is the Google Slides daily journal. So the way I know that you are participating, you're getting your participation points, you're getting your fourth quarter grade by doing these assignments. The way I know that you're doing that is by doing a journal once a day. So I spent my morning getting on reading your journals. So make sure you're doing that. So again, by tomorrow, make sure that Common Lit assignment is completed and it's submitted. And then make sure that you have answered slide 2 and 3. And by the end of tomorrow, you should have done the journal for slide 4. Okay, so the daily journals, it just tells you what to do. It tells you what to write. You respond to it. Give me a nice response, and I will just check. And that's how I know you are checking in with me every day. Okay, so even if you're finished, just check in on Google Classroom every single day to make sure nothing else is posted for you. A little tip, I know this is a lot and you have a lot to keep track of, so get yourself a notebook or your planner and write down what you have to do for each class every day. Okay, because this is your fourth quarter grade and you don't want to fall behind just because you're not keeping track of your assignments. So one more time. Sorry, that's my dog Rocket. One more time. You need to make sure that you have your common lit assignment done by tomorrow. And then as of today, you should have done journals 1 and 2, which are slides 2 and 3. And then by tomorrow, make sure you've done the first 3 journal slides. Okay? If you need anything, shoot me an email. Otherwise, stay safe, stay away from each other, and know that I'm thinking about you always.